Hey guys, I'm coming back today. My hair looks like this because from the title of the video, I'm coming back with another Ali Pero hair review. I actually bought this hair with my own money. It's the new trend, the hairband wig that's been going around. I thought I'd try it and see how it is. I've seen other people do video. I see on Instagram. I'm not sure. So I wanted to try because you know when something comes, people sometimes they pay people to do it, they send it for free and stuff, and people will say stuff. So I wanted to see. I bought it with my own money, everything. So I just telling you guys my honest thought about it, what I think of it. Let's get started. So normally it comes in a FedEx stuff, and then with the Ali Pero bag, this pink bag is so pretty. And I also bought extra hairband, 3 hairbands for $9.99. I actually bought it from their website, the Ali Pero hair site itself. I didn't buy it from AliExpress. I just went to the website because when I kind of calculated, I know now from AliExpress they charge taxes and stuff like that. It just go up so high. So but when you go on the site, they don't charge you no taxes or anything like that, which is pretty cool. So and then plus the sale that they were having on the website, I had a really good deal kind of compared to AliExpress. It was a pretty good deal from the website directly. So this is the bag, and then I got 3 hairbands. I'll show you guys. And if you buy this wig, they send it with a free hairband also, but I just needed like a couple of hairbands, just not just one hairband. So on the website they sell the hairband. It's 3 for $9. I think 3 for $9.99. So I got 3 hairband. I just want to show you guys the hairband first before we go into the hair, so I don't like go back and forth. Once we're into the hair, we just into it. So I got these 3. Actually, it's 4. Sorry, it's 4 for $9.99 and 3. I'm sorry, it's 4 hairband for $9.99. So the first one is this red one, but I'll kind of wear the hairbands and stuff with the wig so you guys can see. The reason I got it with the wig because normally if you buy the hairband, it's not this wide. So I got this one and this one, the leopard print one. I got this one. And then I got this one. So it's 4 hairband I got for, what's the red one? 4 for $9.99. And then they sent me these like free hairband. It's like free that comes with the hair. It's supposed to be 1 hairband that come with the hair, but they sent me this one. I guess that you wear on the wig, like the wig grade or grip or something. You wear this one. They send this for free. They sent me this extra hairband, the same size of the first one, and then they sent me in this color too for free. And then they sent me this one. This one I would really not wear, so I'll probably just I won't wear this. And then they also sent me an elastic band, I guess, to hold with the wig. Hopefully I don't need to use an elastic band because what I want to do with this is that my wig, if I kind of lay the baby hair, then I want to use this to kind of tie it. Like, you know, you tie the scarf so my baby hair can lay down. That's what I want to use this for. And then they send it with like this, the usual hair cap. And the hair that I have, I'll put the specs and everything up. I got it in the 20-inch. So they just read on the box where there's a 20-inch. It's the curly hair. This is how the hair looks straight out of the box, out of the pack. I'm taking it out and just taking everything out. This is the construction of the wig. I just come closer and it comes with this band, which is pretty cool because it have like the Velcro stuff on it, that you can make it small, make it larger, so you don't really have to worry about it. I'll just turn this wig inside out so you guys can see. It's pretty. It's really light. Oh my god, this is really cool. It's really light. You just have this like clips clipping, so it's not like a hair, it's not a comb, so it's like a clipping. You have 2 down, and then you have 3 up, so 3 on top and then 2 at the bottom. And on the side, I think it didn't really have a side, so this is the hair straight out of the pack. The band on it kind of looks like this. My favorite edge control. That's what I'm using to just normally dot. So I don't think I really need the hair clips, to be honest, because you can make this like as tight as you want. The Velcro in the back, you can make it as tight as you want, or as like, it depends on your hair size. I won't say as loose because there's no one of weather weight and it's loose on the hair. So and my hair is pretty small, I like to think. So just with the band, the hair band, let me come back in frame with the hair, with the black band that comes with it. This is how it looks. This is the 20-inch on me. This is how it looks on me. I'm 5'2", so it's just right here. If I was to turn around, it's just like that. And this is just straight out of the pack. I haven't put water, I haven't done anything with the hair. The hair is beautiful, yeah, as you guys can see on camera. So I'll just try with the hairband so you guys can see. This is, I like this side. It's like you just put this hair on and go, put it on and go. You don't have to do nothing, guys. If you like in a rush on your way to work and in a rush you have to go, this is the hair for you. You don't have to sit there and try to kind of fix your list. If you're like me, you try to fix your list, try to fix to make sure it's on, and try to do this, try to do that. You just put it on and go. It's pretty easy with the ouch, with the clips and everything. Look at these curves. And then with the, so I will just try it on with the bands and stuff like that, all the hairband that I have, so you guys can see. I'm trying to, this is the first one. I like this color, the blue. If anybody out there looking for, or just put on go hair, this is it. This is the hair for you. This is the hair coming close, so you can just cover it up a little bit with the band. And the hairband is very wide, so you can cover as much as you want. I'm just trying to show you guys, but you can cover as much as you want. And hairband, when I show on it, it's pretty wide. This is it. This is how it looks in the back. If I have to lift the entire head up, that's what the hair is. I could just use a couple hair strand and just wrap it so I can be able to hide the band. So you can just put it up in a bun like that, and it's just so much weight that you can wear this here, and the bun will not be like showing in the back or anything like that. As if you can see the back, it's really nice. So this is this one, and then you can even like do like a top knot. Now I'm gonna show you guys the other hairband with this. I just want to, and voila, guys, this is so awesome. And they have this like the curly, the straight, the kinky, the you name it, they have it on the website. This is the back, guys. I'm so excited. I love this so much. So this is it. Yeah, this is just right up my alley. It's just lacy girls. This is it. And you guys can see, you can really see, maybe just me coming closer, you can over here, you can really see the band and stuff. And you can even do half up. I'm gonna just take this up. This is, so this is the bun that is up. And then I can also, if I don't want the bun to be like that, I can kind of twist the bun, and then I can still do the half up, but just like a messy bun. And then this is just a little bit of hair, but I can leave a lot out if I want to. one on one side. Something not too long and not too short. So this is the pigtail. Oops, my arm. And you can, if you don't want the band showing, you just take a little bit of hair and just gonna wrap it around so that don't show on both sides. So you just wrap it. Just wrap it around. This is not perfect because I'm just trying to show you guys something, but if you can leave this one down. It's so pretty, guys. There's so many ways you can do this hair, and I'll just take it down and this is a leopard print one. Same thing with the back. That's a leopard print. This is the other color, the blue one. They probably did a really good job with these hairbands and the hair because it like kind of cover it fully. You can stretch it. It's really big. Yeah, you can stretch it apart. You can make it small and make the knot on top. Just different looks and different style that you can go for with these headbands. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is what I put just straight out of the box. No product. So imagine when I put product in this hair, I can already tell that it gets big because me just touching it with like changing hair bands and touching it is just getting big. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like any of my content. That encourage me to make videos and stuff. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.